In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Then scroll down to click on Advanced Features located under Google, over here. Now it's time to click on one-handed mode on the left and use gray switcher at the top to enable it. When you're ready, scroll down and click on one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button. Wherever you decided, follow all of the instructions below the chosen method. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. If you want to change placement of it, click on this icon on the left or on the right, or hold this line at the top and drag your screen completely. If you wish to go back to the standard size, click on this blurry area around your little screen. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!